It's a pizza and ice cream van. 1, 2, 3.
Look what?
Ryan, it's our favorite YouTuber.
Yeah. Food truck, people, chairs, table, and food.
Food truck, camion, restaurant.
I like Ryan's toy.
Me too.
There's the switches at Home Depot. No, I mean at Target. And there's the egg at Target. And there's that at Home Depot. What? Did you got it? Look, these people. Okay. Guys, where did you think this goes?
I don't know.
This goes and this goes here. Yeah, that's how it goes. So, you know what this goes?
No. Oh wow, it's like a camper.
Yeah, let's put
You want some French fries?
orange.
Orange. What is this? Burger?
Burger,
Drink?
drink.
Pizza?
You have a drink?
Ice cream?
Soda.
What's this guy's name?
Combo.
Cuz? Cuz?
No,
This is
combo.
Gus.
Gus, yeah.
Hi Gus.
Ryan.
Oh, this is your little table setup?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Ryan.
Look. Look.
Hi, my name's Ryan and this is my... Right.
Yeah, the food toy. Then where can the people go? Yeah, that's 2 spots for the people. Where can this go? Where does this go? This Ryan gave this to us.
Hello.
We buy the Ryan toys. How much money?
It was $12.99.
Hello. Hello.
That's a good price. It's called a food and drink diner truck. Oh, maybe it's a cover for the grill, maybe? Like a workstation?
Somebody help me! My head is stuck. You think this will fit? I think it will definitely fit. Look! Look, guys! Fitted. And now this thingy goes right. Papa?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what's making all that noise. It's our parrot. Say hi. This is Baby, the parrot. The talking parrot. Baby, say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Birdie.
Hi, baby. Baby
Back to
said
the
it.
toy.
Now.
So now they know, they hear the whistling. It's the bird.
Now,
Hey, I got you guys again.
he talked.
She talked, yeah, you're right.
He did. And then combo. There. Where does these go, guys? Where does it go here? Where does it go then? Can you find this to the secret door that opens?
Why don't we look at the box, Liam? Duh. Oh, right here, Liam. I think it's right there. Oh, it's the tabletop and the plate. Let me try. Okay. Right there. It's a tray. It's not supposed to stick. Yeah, it's a, you know. You got your sink here. You got your refrigerator, stove.
Hey, don't touch it. It's going here.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
This may go go in the back. Alright? Liam? Look, that's the spoon, that's the spatula, and that's the stuff, and that's more stuff.
Oh yeah, cool. Is there something in here? Oh, what? Wait a second, Liam. Did you put Gus back there?
Yeah.
Oh no!
And the pizza.
Load up, Combo. Okay. I'm loading up. Where can I put everything? I'm definitely loading up. I'm loading up the thingy. Plates. I load up. Okay, now let's go. See the stuff? Oh, I want to make it. Parking. I finished. I parked. Oh, I'm finally out of here. Let's cook something. I'm out from my nap. That's the sleeping area for Gus.
Oh, it's a sleeping area.
For Gus. With our food. So if he's hungry, he could eat. Ah, the food is falling. Uh-oh. Let's set up. Deal. And deal. So these are gonna be the two customers. One sits right here. The other gonna sit here.
Hello.
Hi, would you may like to order something? Yeah, I would get a hamburger. And what about you? I'll get French fries and one orange, please. Okay, your total is gonna be $1. That's so cheap! French fries and an orange. Hey, the pencil fell off!
Oh, my fault.
Ow, 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 that hurted so much. Now, order for combo. And I forgot your order.
Oh no!
Hamburger and pizza. Okay. Oh, the food only fell out. Oh no, I have no more plates. I would give it to him without a plate. Your order's ready. This is what I ordered. Yay! Now let's put the food back and we do. You messed up, right? No? Oh no! I would like to be yum yum. Now we may have to pack up this ice cream shop. I call it an ice cream shop, not a food shop. Let's just put the stuff in here. What happened? It's time to close my store. And the shares go here. I found one! You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's on top of the stool. Okay. You think Gus could sit here? Right there?
I think so.
I need the side to say I'm closed. Thanks for watching. Bye.